Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given the equation x plus y is equal to 75. And we're told that x represents the number of minutes that Maria spends running every day, and y represents the number of minutes she spends biking every day. And given this information, we're asked, what does the number 75 represent in this equation? So what we have to do is we have to turn this equation back into words. So if we have the number of minutes that Maria spends running each day is x, then we can plug that into this equation. Say the number of minutes spent running plus y. What is y? Y is the number of minutes she spent biking. And this is equal to 75. We don't have anything to write in for 75 because that's actually what we're looking for, looking to find what does 75 represent in this situation. And if we look at what we've written here, we sort of have our answer. We have the number of minutes she spent running plus the number of minutes she spent biking. This sum of these two is equal to 75. So out of these four answers, that most closely lines up with D, the number of minutes spent, C, the total number of minutes spent running and biking each day. Adding the two, and then it'll come out to 75, which means C is gonna be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.